Today we're going to talk about 7 reasons why people own a vacation rental. Here we go.
Three, two, one.
People often have a favorite spot they like to go to. Sometimes it's a specific type of place, like a beach or a mountain, or sometimes it's a specific city. We have several friends who like to go to particular beaches and have expressed interest in owning a vacation rental there. And they see a vacation rental as an easy way to do that and kind of control the situation. So it could be as simple as knowing they can go when they want to go, knowing what it's going to cost them to vacation there, having the pleasure or the familiarity of going to the same place every time. Or sometimes it's just convenient. One of our boys likes the convenience of not needing to pack as much stuff because we have certain things in the owner's closet and they don't have to bring those down. So that's the first group of reasons why people would buy a vacation rental. The second reason is impacting lives. You are helping create a space where families can make memories, and you have a part of that, which is really cool to do that. So, because if you want to make a difference or you just have a personality that you like to help people, that is a great way to do that. And the other part of that is that it's a really good feeling when you get a note or a call or a text that somebody really enjoyed the stay at your place. That helps you have that gratification of knowing that you were able to help somebody with your money. It wasn't an investment in a stock or a bond or a mutual fund, but it was in a piece of real estate that helps another family create money, that helps another family create memories. And that's pretty cool. Another reason people invest in vacation rentals is to diversify their portfolio. Maybe they have other traditional rentals, maybe they have stocks and bonds, maybe they have commercial property. This is just another avenue. And for people who don't want to have some of the hassles that you can have with traditional rentals, or they want to have things further away from their home, but they wouldn't want to have a traditional rental there, this is a great way to take care of that. Another reason are the memories that are created. So there's a couple ways to look at this. First of all, there's the memories that we already kind of talked about that other families are making in your property, but there's also memories for your own family. So it might be where you are talking about telling your kids a place that you would always go to because your grandpa owned a condo or your uncle owned a place somewhere that you guys would go to by a state park or whatever, and you're passing those memories on to your children and then your grandchildren. So when you have a vacation rental that you can also spend time at, it does that same thing. But the other thing is it makes memories in the current. So your children are making memories, or you are making memories that you can pass on and share to other people. The other thing is that it can also be passed down. So you're not just passing down the memories, but it's real estate. You can sell it, you can give it away, you can do whatever, because that can also be passed down to your children, which is a little bit different than other types of investments and probably a lot more fun to pass down. So another reason is business ownership. A lot of people are looking to have a side hustle or a small business, and this is a great opportunity to do that because it is a business. You are a company that's structured, you're doing taxes, you're having profit and loss, and this is just another way to have a small business in a unique way, and honestly, it's a really fun way too. Who doesn't want equity? And this is another reason to own a vacation rental, because in your own home you are creating that equity by making that house payment every single month. In a vacation rental, that's also a business, also making memories for your family, also making memories for other people, but you aren't paying down that you aren't creating the equity in that to pay it off. Your tenants are, which makes it another great way to gain equity in a property but not your own money. Another reason is remote work flexibility. So many people are working from home now, and it doesn't mean that they have to work at home. So we heard a story of a guy during the pandemic that took his family to a vacation rental that was supposed to be 2 weeks, and they stayed 3 months. Luckily, that was available to them because they didn't own it; they were renting it. But his work had gone remote, and so whether he did it from his living room in his home state or a few states away, it didn't matter. And we're seeing that now. It's a huge trend with vacation rentals because people can work from home. They do that, just like people can work from one state and live in another. My sister-in-law, her job is based in Arizona and we live in Ohio, but it's remote. So it's the same thing. Those people who have that flexibility, like my sister-in-law, can go do her work in Ohio, or she can go to the mountains and do the same work remotely as long as she's got that internet access. So, this is a great way to offer owners flexibility to do their work remotely as well, but also it's a great way to get potential rental income from people who are looking to have that same atmosphere but not necessarily own the property. And that's a big trend that we're seeing with vacation rentals, which on a side note is why we have a desk in our vacation rental to make it easy for people to have that option. And that's it. Those are the 7 reasons that we've talked about, that we've come up with, that we see as the most common and why people want to own vacation rentals. And if you fit into any of those areas, I really think you should get more information. Like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll help you on that path.